Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Hyundai ix35 Elite, stock reference number 5207. This shape runs from the 11th month 2009 through to the 8th month 2013. It has a G4KE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. G4KE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, right hand tailgate garnish, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.